Hello, Chef here. Another recipe for you. Very simple one here. So I have two boneless, skinless chicken breasts. They're beautiful. They've been cleaned already. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of sea salt. Yeah, just like that. And we're gonna be putting peppercorns. I got a few kinds of peppercorns. I'm gonna show them to you real quickly here. So here you go. We've got red, green, white, and black. Oh yeah, love peppercorns. They're really good. So this is chicken au pois, French word, au pois, and chicken with a peppercorn sauce. Here we go. I'm grinding these peppercorns in my little mill here. Works pretty well. However, this chicken needs a lot of pepper, so I'm going to use another mill I've got. Put a little bit more pepper in here, like this. Okay, there we go. Now that is a lot of pepper. Let me tell you, it's going to be good. Okay, next step. Hot saute pan. Extra virgin olive oil, just a splash. Okay. Chicken goes in. Pepper side down. Let it cook. Okay, at this point we turn the chicken breasts. Oh, look at that, looking good, looking good. And we let them continue to cook. I'll be back. Okay, at this point the chicken is almost done. I'm going to move it aside a little bit, add just a touch more olive oil, and I'm going to be putting garlic, shallots, and onions in the pan. Okay. I have 2 tablespoons of fine brandy. Wow, looking good. We're also going to be adding 3 ounces of chicken stock, as well as a teaspoon of herbes de Provence. Okay, and then we're going to flip this chicken over. Just get all those flavors together in there. Yeah. Next step, going to remove the chicken. And we're going to either be adding heavy cream or cream fresh. If you run out of those, sour cream is a good substitute. Okay? I just want it to be a creamy sauce. Okay, as some of you may know, in French cooking, these sauces are quite often strained. Most important thing is to taste it and adjust the seasoning. Oh yeah, salt. Okay, at this point, I'm going to add the chicken back to the pan, like this. And I'm going to let it reduce just a little bit. Okay, just plating up this chicken. It's looking really good. And for French style, of course, it would be 1 chicken breast. And the sauce reduced down. It's actually quite thick. And you can thin it out with just a touch of chicken stock. And yeah, it's looking really good. got some sauteed fresh spinach, diced tomatoes here. Looking really good. Spinach and tomatoes are going to go right here. Okay. I'm just going to spoon a little of this sauce over the chicken. Once again, this is chicken au poivre, so it's with a peppercorn brandy sauce, and it's gonna be good, let me tell you. So the sauce is kind of a rustic farmhouse style where it's not strained. It's popular in France. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Chicken au poivre. Another exclusive right here at your sponsor. Get it there. Get cooking. And please like, share, subscribe. Have a beautiful day. This is also a great gift idea, and it's a great way to build a set. You put one up here, you put the next one, the next one, the next one. Before you know it, wow, you got an awesome set of knives. And you're showing them off, you're displaying them. It's also very safe. I find it safe when you're running around the kitchen and you're busy. You just clean the knife, you're all done using it, you put it back, same spot, good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, support your sponsor. Have a great day.